Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to take some ketchup, some milk tops, put those two together, and you can make your very own nail with a subungual hematoma that you can practice draining at home. So stick with me and I'll show you how to do it yourself. So as a PA in the emergency department, we see subungual hematomas pretty frequently, but when I was trying to replicate this to help my students out, it actually can be quite difficult to replicate in the laboratory setting. Fortunately, I went to a training where they taught us how to make our very own fake subungual hematoma at home. And so really the only two materials you're gonna need are some milk caps, and I can put the link down in the description for you so you can order them. And then your ketchup packets. You can get a bottle of ketchup, or you can use some from takeout that you had the night before. And we'll put those two together, and we'll also need a trephinating pen or an 18 gauge needle to actually do the demonstration, but that won't be till our next video, so be sure to check that one out too. All right, so let's get started. First, we're gonna take two of our little milk caps and we're gonna separate them. We have two that will fit on top of each other like this and create that nail bed. So we'll take those out, separate them, and then I'm gonna deal with just one where I'm gonna put my ketchup. So I'm gonna set that down right here, and I'm gonna grab one of my ketchup packets. I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna squirt some ketchup in there. I don't wanna put too much so it's gonna come out, but I do wanna put enough so that it creates that subungual hematoma effect. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my other milk cap, and I'm going to squeeze the two together so that that blood, our fake blood, is accumulating between the two layers. And you'll see that it creates kind of this little effect right here where you have the nail, the fake nail, and the blood that's accumulated underneath. And this is what we're going to use to practice our subungual hematoma drainage in the next video. So that's really it. That's all you have to do. And you can make a few of these to practice with. Each of these kits that I bought comes with 12, so you can do 6 different nails. And even with one of these, you can practice multiple times on the same one to get some extra practice in. So make sure that you watch my next video. I'm going to show you how to actually do a subungual hematoma trephination. See you later.